becoming a super user. That is called as SU. SU indicate super user. Clear? SU indicate what? SU indicate what? Super user. So, like in other operating system, what you are using? Your Windows, right? When you install Windows Server, by default, the operating system username will be administrator. It will not your name, it will be administrator. So, UNIX is similar to the any other operating system, and root is conventional name for the user who has all rights, all permissions, right? Either any file, any program, right? Either a single or multi-user, everything, all the permissions are having with the root user. By default, a user will be created as called as root, and root is only the super user for any UNIX or Linux machine. Any machine you install, by default the username is root. And might be you would have seen that when you are logged in into the any Fedora Ubuntu, by default if you install, it will be username is root. So, when you logged in any regular account and any changes if you want to do, you have to do using the administrative rights user, and though the user is nothing, it's a okay. So, what you do in the command prompt, you type SU, in the command prompt you type SU and enter what you are getting, right. So, that means it is asking super user password, and super user is nothing, whatever the user you have created while installation, and that is nothing, it is a root. Just type the password, correct password, give SU and enter. It will ask the password, give the password whatever you have given, and you will see that the path will change of the previous and now. There is a difference between the previous login and now login. You can see the difference. The path will be like it will. Okay. Now you will see that earlier when you have logged in, whatever the username you have given, suppose I have given the username as Kali, so Kali @ Kali was coming. Now the moment if